Hello everyone, I am Shubhi Gehlot, student of Integrated MTech IT 8th semester, and this video presentation is a part of my cloud computing assignment which is prepared under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav. The topic of my video is Google App Engine. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, the question is, what is Google App Engine? It is a scalable runtime environment. It is mostly used to run web applications. These dynamic scales as demand change over time because Google's vast computing infrastructure. Because it offers a secure execution environment in addition to a number of services, App Engine makes it easier to develop scalable and high-performance web apps. Google's application will scale up and down in response to shifting demand. Crune's task, communications, scalable data stores, work queues, and in-memory caching are some of these services. The App Engine Software Development Kit facilitates the testing and professionalization of applications by emulating the production runtime environment and allowing developers to design and test applications on their own PCs. When an application is finished being produced, developers can quickly immigrate it to App Engine, put in place quotas to control the cost that is generated and make the programmer available to everyone. Python, Java, and Go are among the languages that are currently supported. The development and hosting platform Google App Engine, which powers anything from web programming for huge enterprises to mobile apps, uses the same infrastructure as Google's large-scale internet services. It is fully managed platform as a service cloud computing platform that uses inbuilt services to run your apps. We can start creating almost immediately after receiving the software development kit. We may immediately access the Google Apps Developers manual once we have chosen the language we wish to use to build our app. Now let us see some of the key features of Google App Engine. First is popular programming languages. You can build your application in Node.js, Java, Ruby, C#, Go, Python, or in PHP. Next is fully managed. A fully managed environment lets you focus on code while App Engine manages infrastructure concerns. Powerful application diagnostics. Use cloud monitoring and cloud logging to monitor the health and performance of your app, and cloud debugger and error reporting to diagnose and fix bugs quickly. Application versioning. Easily host different versions of your app and easily create development, test, and staging and production environments. Application security. Help safeguard your application by defining access rules with App Engine, Firewall, and leverage managed SSL certificates by default on your custom domain at no additional cost. Service ecosystem. A tab growing ecosystem of Google Cloud services from your app, including an excellent suite of cloud developer tools. Now let us deploy an application on GCP App Engine. Before we go on to deploy an application, there are some high-level prerequisites that needs to be followed. First, create a new project, activate Google Cloud Shell, enable App Engine Admin API, create App Engine, deploy application, and finally disable application. So let's go to the console and create a new project. Now let's create a new project and click on the new project button. I will name the project as sample application and click on the button create. Now it will take a few minutes to be loaded and then the application will be created. Okay, so this is it, sample application, and now I will click here. After this I will go to Cloud Shell I will write G Cloud projects list, and it will show the list of my projects, and it have project ID, name, and project number. Now let's go back and go to navigation menu, and here are some APIs and services we need to enable. So I will click on the button enable APIs and services, and I will search for app engine admin API. It is showing now. After clicking on it, I will enable it. It will take a few minutes. Okay, so my API is enabled. We can disable it as well. Now I will go back to Cloud Shell. So I will write gcloud config set project and write the project ID. I will copy it from there, and now it is done. It will show the project ID in yellow color, and this shows that I am in the application now. So now I will go back to navigation menu, and I will go to App Engine dashboard. Now I will go to create application. Now I will come back to Cloud Shell, and after writing gcloud app create, so here I have to write numeric choice, so I am randomly writing a number which is 14. So now my application is created, and I will check it on the dashboard. It is not refreshed, that's why it is showing failure. Now after refreshing, it says, yeah, your application has been created. So now my application has been created. Now I will clone a project, Python project. So I will write username, password, and now cd python doc sample. After this I will cd standard python 3.7. After writing this, it is my hello world program application. So these are the things I need to write. After this, I will deploy the application. So these are the services to deploy, and there will be a question, I need to continue or not. So I will write why, yes. So now this is the URL of the application, but it is showing error 404 because it is not done processing yet. So now it is done. I have paused the video to let it be done. It take a few minutes to be done. So after this I am showing you. So it is, all the things are done. Setting traffic, deploy service. Now I will browse it. Okay, after refreshing it, okay, this is the application Hello World, which is now deployed. Now I will come back here and I will refresh it. Go to navigation, app engine, dashboard, and now it is deployed. So it is now, this application is billing now, and cost is generated monthly. So we need to disable the application. But before that I will browse it. I don't know why it is not happening. Okay, so cost is generated monthly, so you need to disable the application or delete the project entirely. These are the only two ways through which you can stop the billing of the application. So now I will show you how to disable it. Go to navigation, menu, app engine, settings, and now after this I will click to disable application. So after clicking on disable application, it will show something. If I write G-Cloud app describe, it will describe the application. Now I will disable it, and I need to write the application ID, so I will copy paste it from here and disable it. Now it is disabled. The Google App Engine has a lot of advantages that can help you advance your app ideas. This comprises infrastructure for security. The internet infrastructure that Google uses is arguably the safest in the entire world. Faster time to market. For every organization, getting a product or service to market quickly is crucial. When it comes to quickly releasing the product, encouraging the development and maintenance of an app is essential. A firm can grow swiftly with Google Cloud App Engine's assistance. It is quick to start, it is easy to use, it has rich set of APIs and services, it is scalable, it is high performance and it is highly reliable, it is cost saving, and it is platform independent. Thanks for watching.